We're at a soap making shop where they make soap all natural. So you can't touch, you have a lot of chemicals. And then they have some beautiful soap baskets.
On attend encore. Mais ouais, il faut qu'ils soient une petite journée, ouais.
Oui, ça vient plus jusqu'à cœur.
Ouais. Oui, c'est ça. Ouais.
Et du coup, demain, vous refaites. C'est
Ah
votre
oui, à
poste
chaque
ici.
ouais, ouais, c'est. Oui.
Et un autre personne.
Mon collègue là qui démoule et qui
D'accord.
coupe. Ouais.
D'accord. Ils sont bons. Ah ouais. On travaille le même jour, ça.
C'est la journée de solidarité.
De solidarité.
Vous avez non, jour férié.
Normalement, non.
Ni le week-end.
Ouais, ouais. Et les commandes pour Noël?
Oui, bah c'est que des, vous voyez, des familles comme ça.
It takes 24 hours to cure for this soap.
Plus de commandes de magasin.
And then
Oui, oui.
my nose is killing me from a cold I had. And so the scent is driving me crazy. They got quite an operation here. So I'm looking for soap that has no perfume and no coloring added, which doesn't look like they have it. These all have some sort of fruit flavor or herbal flavor. Well, herbal scent or fruit scent. It's really quite neat that only 4 of them can make the operation. So this was actually a church, began in 1932 for St. Louis. You have the Stations of the Cross. They've kept the stained glass windows. And then the altar is there. Oh wow, that's cool. Very clever. It's like going to Schubfeven. À boucher. Little drive through the mountains. We had a delicious lunch. We went to buy soap, and now we're driving among the clouds. Or the birds. And there's a lot of logging.
Oula, mais mon chéri, ça fait des années que je suis pas passé là. Hein. Ça fait pas
It's
de
very
là.
much
Tu
like
parles de quoi,
driving
de-
in Tennessee or North Carolina.
Non, mais on vient pas ici, on s'arrête au col des
We
Bagelets.
did
on
go
descend
to
au col.
Pikes Peak in Colorado, but that's much higher, 14,000 feet.
Oh, it's like Colorado?
We stopped. This is Bonham. Beautiful valley, beautiful mountains. They have a logging industry here. And they have stupid people who don't know how to shift their Porsche. We were going to walk to the house for a visit, but they're not home. What a fantastic view. Of course, this is east and west.